भुरग्यांची परीक्षा सोंपता आनी फुडले शिक्षणीक वर्स फक्त 2 दिसांच्या काळात सुरू करतात. खर अभ्यासाचो काळ आनी परीक्षे उपरांत तांकां ताण कमी करपाक वेळ जाय. हाका लागून गोंयभर NCERTच्या मुखेलीक मेळपाक गेले.
It is not your main exam. It's a prep exam for you all to get your children ready for the 10th. Alright, so please do not stop all the extracurricular activities thinking that it's a board exam. The papers are set by the board, but it will be corrected by your class teachers. Alright, the next thing that we spoke about is mentioning that it is important that we as parents have come here today not because we are against NEP, because the notion that's going to all the department heads that we are against NEP. We are not against NEP, we are for it, but how it's being implemented. We've realized talking to the director of SERT who handles still the 8th standard that the clarification from the top level, by the time it comes to the teachers and comes to the parents, it's like a Chinese whisper. We get totally distorted messages which are not very clear, and this is why we have come. And one thing about her is she said that anytime parents have any queries, we can go and directly address her as a PTA head and continue. She's welcoming. We've just met the director of SERT and we put across our memorandum regarding all the pointers. I will not repeat the pointers, but our main concern for all parents is because exams are getting over on 28th of March and then schools are directly reopening on the 1st of April, which is a great concern because children are not going to get a break. Am I correct, parents? That's our main issue. So this is our main issue. Apart from that, she has said that she will look into it. She will discuss with the committee. They are already in discussion because since we went to the director, we've gone to the CM, we're putting this forward. Another clarity that she's clarified with us is the 9th standard exams. The main thing is now everyone was studying as 9th standard board exam thinking they have to answer 9th is the main board. She's clarified that 9th is not the main board's exam, but the papers are set by board and the teachers of the school will correct it.
Secondly, एक मेन क्वेश्चन की आता जे टायमिंग दवरला भुरग्यांचे एप्रिलाच्यान जे क्लासीस आसले ते 10:30 to 11 अशें धरला. पूण IMDन हालींच 3 दीस आमचे येलो अलर्ट सांगलेलो एप्रिलान हेच्याकून चड हीट आसतली. सो त्या खातीर तुमी कितें प्रिकॉशन घेतले की स्कुलान सांगतले कितें प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक?
एप्रिलान जेन्ना एकाडेमीक इयर दवरपाचें ठरतालें तेन्ना सुद्दां हो एक कन्सर्न आशिल्लो आनी म्हणूनच डिसिजन जालें की 11:30 पर्यंतच दवरपाचें स्कूल. आनी हाच्या पयलीं सुद्दां आमी जर फाटल्या वर्सांनी पळयत जेन्ना पावस चड जालो, गरमी हीट वेव आयली, तेन्ना डिपार्टमेंटान डायरेक्टरान स्कुलाक दिल्ले आसा डायरेक्शन्स की बेगीन सोडा किंवा आपय नाका, हॉलिडे दिल्ली आसा. इट इज नॉट दॅट वी आर इनसेन्सिटीव टुवर्ड्स दीस थिंग. सो जशें तसो विशय येतलो तेन्ना वी वील टेक डिसिजन्स आनी इट वूड बी इन बेटरमेंट एंड इन फेवर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. कितें जें करतली, जे डिसिजन जातली, आतां गरमी आसा, पावस आसा जाल्यार ताजेर त्या टायमार डिसिजन घेतली.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिक्स, गौतमी गांवकर आनी मुझैफ शेख.